Hi, this is Megan with V12 Software. In this video, I'll get you started using our Craigslist posting tool. With our Craigslist posting tool, you can host your budget on V12 to do all your Craigslist posting automatically and hands-free. In today's video, I'll show you how to post on Craigslist using V12. First, log into your V12 account. Once logged in, click on the Craigslist icon. There are two modes of posting on Craigslist: speed post and web post. Web post is available on both the United States and Canada. It requires Internet Explorer browser in order to perform the posting. The latest version of Java. You can download Java from java.com, as you can see on the screen. Make sure you're on Web Auto section. Select the vehicles you'd like to post on Craigslist. Then click on Start. Please note, you have to keep Internet Explorer browser window open during the posting. The advantage of using web posts is that you can post any type of inventory like motorcycles, RVs, boats, etc. Once it's finished, you can see under the status column a bunch of different messages like posted. That means that your post has successfully been posted with post link and date. Failed. This could be various reasons, such as you're using a brand new account, the credit card needs to be verified or doesn't match. In this case, your Craigslist credit card has to match the one under your V12 account. Verification required. Check your email for Craigslist email verification. Wrong data. Incorrect Craigslist login email and/or password. Stuck on preparing? That means you're missing contact information. Only when the status says posted, then you can close the browser's tab. For speed post, it's much simpler and hands-free. Make sure you're on speed post section. Select the vehicles you'd like to post on Craigslist. Then click on Speed Post. Check the status section, it should say posted, with the post link and date shown here. By using Speed Post, you can only post in the United States. You can only post cars and trucks. And to activate Speed Post for the first time, you'd have to send us a photo of your ID, driver's license, or a photo of the credit card that you're using for V12. That's pretty much it for today's video. If you have any other questions, please do not hesitate to contact our support team at 650-284-0497 or send us an email to help@v12software.com.